Hey there, tech lovers! Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the most powerful iPhone ever made. Think mind-blowing performance, game-changing zoom, and a jaw-dropping new design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max sports a new aluminum unibody design with a built-in vapor chamber for advanced heat dissipation and durability. It's available in bold new finish, cosmic orange, deep blue, and silver. A bold visual shift, the rear now features a full-width camera plateau, replacing the traditional square bump. Display sizes remain 6.3 inches Pro and 6.9 inches Pro Max with peak brightness levels of up to 3000 nits, maintaining super sharp Super Retina XDR visuals. The 1.8MP front camera now supports center stage, automatically keeping subjects framed during selfies or video calls. Under the hood is the blazing A19 Pro chip 3nm, paired with a vapor chamber cooling system for sustained high-performance tasks like gaming and video editing. Features an all-for-8MP rear camera system main, ultra-wide, and a new telephoto lens with an 8 optical quality zoom, the longest ever on an iPhone. Ceramic shield protects both front and back, offering improved scratch and crack resistance. Offers up to 39 hours of video playback on Pro Max, a record for iPhones thanks to optimized internals and efficient design. Supports to 5W MagSafe Jet point to charging, reaching 50% charge in just 20 minutes. Ships with iOS 26, featuring a refreshed liquid glass user interface and enhanced Apple Intelligence features like live translation and image cleanup. Blackmagic introduced the camera product, expanding pro-level filmmaking features like Genlock Sync, Timecode I/O, HDMI audio jacks, and multiple USB-C ports, perfect for multi-camera setups. Starts at $1,199 for the Pro Max with 256GB storage, going up to $1,999 for the 2TB variant, making it the costliest iPhone to date. The radical design and price triggered mixed reactions. Some fans labeled the new look ugly and compared it to Android phones, while others were stunned by the steep storage-based pricing. Wrapping up the iPhone 17 Pro Max pushes the envelope with its powerhouse specs and bold design, but its high cost means it's not for everyone. Let me know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.